Hello everybody and welcome back to our beauty series. Our today's topic is a wrinkle around the ear. Let's look at this problem in detail. Imagine yourself that your face is a canva on a frame and for some reason this frame breaks or loses its shape. If that happens, canva begins to sag, forming folds and wrinkles. Same way wrinkle around the ear appears due to deformation of face bones. This wrinkle is sort of an indicator of aging. Firstly, overcontraction of deep layers of chewing muscle shortens them and makes this line more noticeable. Secondly, bones shrink, which makes face tissues saggy. Thirdly, muscle contraction prevents normal lymph flow. Excessive liquid accumulates in your face, making face tissues heavier. Tissues under their own weight pull skin down and show off the wrinkle even more. So now to the action steps. First of all, as always, is a complex for neck and body posture and aponeurosis massage. Why aponeurosis massage? Bones of the skull are more flexible since they contain collagen, but bone structures tend to lose their volume and shrink when blood flow in them is interrupted. Link to the complex for neck and body posture and aponeurosis massage you can find in the description below this video. After you've had a good skull massage, move on to relaxing of your chewing muscle. Put your fingers on your chewing muscle. If you cannot locate it, close your jaws so that you can feel it, and massage it in soft but deep motions, keeping your mouth relaxed. After a while, change direction. Another exercise that will allow you to relax your chewing muscles. Point your tongue and place it on your front teeth under the upper lip. When you put your tongue up, your lower jaw stretches out softly, which relaxes chewing muscles, removes pressure from the joints, and forms a beautiful face shape. This exercise you can do almost anywhere and at any point, since it is very discreet. For the next exercise that will relax your chewing muscles, you will need a wine bottle cork. Put it vertically between your front teeth and hold it there between 30 seconds and 1 minute. If the cork fits in fully, it's good. If it doesn't, you can make it shorter, and once your muscles are stretched enough, you can replace it with a longer one. If you have a cramp, do this exercise every day, if not 2 to 3 times a week. And now let's move on to the ears themselves. Ear muscles play a huge role in face shape and natural face lifting. However, those muscles take a very small role in everyday face activity and therefore lose their strength. Weak ear and temple muscles cannot hold your face anymore, therefore it is crucial to train your ear muscles and move your ears. It is very helpful yet discreet exercise. But start off with massaging the area around the ear. First, massage behind your ear in soft motions. And after that, continue massaging around your ears using 2 fingers. Massage in front and behind of your ears in soft motions. And after that, massage your ears, going through every area and improving circulation, lifting and rejuvenating your ears. Now you're actually going to move your ears. It should look approximately like that. If you don't know how to move your ears, you can actually learn it. Just imagine that your glasses went down your nose and you want to bring them back up. When you do that, you can feel your ear muscles, and after a while, you can get better and better at it. To sum it up, we went over the reasons why does this wrinkle around the ear appear and action steps to get rid of it. So now you know what will rejuvenate your ears. If you found this video interesting, subscribe to our channel, like this video and recommend it to your friends since it helps development of our channel. Comment below what is the area you have most problems with.